I found an old radio. It's been sitting for years, completely forgotten. The surface is covered in thick dust and dirt, and the body looks worn and damaged. The plastic casing is faded, the knobs are stiff, and the tape deck doesn't even open properly. At first glance, it looks useless, like something most people would throw away without thinking twice. But I don't want to throw it away. I want to see if this old radio can work again. So I take it from where I found it and bring it back to my garage to start working on it. I place the radio on the workbench and take a moment to look at it closely. The dust is everywhere, packed into the vents and stuck around the buttons. The tuning knob barely moves, and the volume knob feels loose. The cassette door is misaligned, and the speaker grill is stained from years of neglect. This radio clearly hasn't been touched in a long time. Before doing anything else, I start by cleaning the outside. I slowly brush off the loose dust and wipe the surface, revealing the original shape and details hidden underneath. Even after just this first step, the radio already looks a little better. Once the exterior is cleaned enough to handle, I begin taking the radio apart. I carefully remove the screws from the back panel and lift it off. Inside, the radio is even dirtier than the outside. Dust has settled over every component. The circuit board, the wiring, the tape mechanism, everything shows signs of age. I don't rush. I study how everything is arranged before touching anything. This radio was built in a time when things were made to be repaired, and I want to respect that. I start cleaning the inside slowly. Using a soft brush and gentle air, I remove years of dust from the circuit board and internal components. As the dust clears, the parts become visible again. I can see the wiring paths, the solder joints, and the mechanical parts of the tape deck. Some areas show corrosion, especially around metal contacts. This is expected aft.
오락파는군요.
Take a deep breath and let the worries of the day simply fade away.